Are we there yet? Not a full episode, guys. I'm just checking in. And if you're a parent, you might be hearing, are we there yet? Quite a lot. I just want to see how you're doing. Are you drinking enough? Are you staying hydrated with water? Are you wearing your sunscreen? And even for my friends down under, you should be wearing your sunscreen. Got to pay attention to that. Are you eating well? Are you doing good self-care? You might not be working on clearing your clutter or doing anything organizing, but are you being mindful? Are you being aware? How well are you taking care of yourself? Just because you take a break and have fun doesn't mean you can't take good care of yourself. Now, I'm thinking about you guys. Hope you're having a great summer, having a great break or a great winter, no matter where you are. And I'm thinking about you, and we will be back Tuesday, August 20th. Take care of yourself.